If you run a busy home service business on Housecall Pro, you already know how fast the day moves. Jobs get scheduled, technicians get dispatched, invoices go out, customers reply, and the next service call is already on the board. But one simple growth moment is easy to miss: asking a happy customer for a review while the work is still fresh. That is where a Housecall Pro and Birdeye workflow can help. Housecall Pro helps service businesses manage day-to-day operations like scheduling, customer records, job workflows, invoices, payments, and field team coordination. Birdeye adds review requests, surveys, text messaging, web chat, listings, review monitoring, reporting, and reputation management. The useful part is the timing. Birdeye can connect to Housecall Pro around operational events such as job events, appointment updates, dispatched technician service jobs, and lead workflows, depending on the approved setup and account configuration. In plain English, you are using a business event that already happens in Housecall Pro, then turning it into a friendly customer follow-up. For example, after a finished job or service event, Birdeye can receive the customer details needed for outreach, like name, phone number, or email, based on the configured integration. Then the customer can get a short text or email asking for feedback. If the customer had a great experience, the message can point them toward leaving a Google review. If something did not go perfectly, feedback can be routed internally so your team can respond before it becomes a public review problem. This is especially helpful for home service companies because customers often remember the technician, the arrival window, the cleanup, the communication, and whether the price matched expectations. Those details are freshest right after the job. The goal is not to blast every customer with stiff marketing messages. The goal is to send the right message at the right time, from a business communication workflow that your team can actually manage. For a smaller company, this can mean fewer missed review opportunities and less manual follow-up. For a multi-location or multi-crew operation, it can mean better visibility into which services, teams, or locations are creating great customer experiences. Birdeye can also help centralize review responses, monitor customer sentiment, keep listings cleaner, and give managers a clearer view of what customers are saying. Before turning anything on, the workflow should be mapped carefully. You want to confirm the right trigger, the right customer fields, the right message timing, the right opt-in and compliance expectations, and who on the team owns replies. ConvertLocal can help review your Housecall Pro process, choose the best Birdeye follow-up moments, write casual text and email templates, test the routing, and make sure the workflow feels natural. If your service business uses Housecall Pro and you want more consistent reviews, better customer follow-up, and cleaner communication after the job, schedule a personalized demo at ConvertLocal.io.